In this video, I will share with you my top 5 machine learning indicators that will help you increase your winning ratio and put you on the right track to becoming a profitable trader. These are not just any indicators. They are your gateway to unlocking unparalleled insights and predictive power in the market. Imagine having the ability to anticipate market movements with extraordinary accuracy by leveraging the cutting edge of machine learning technology. In the fast-paced world of trading, hesitation can mean missing out on the opportunity of a lifetime. The question isn't if you can afford to incorporate these indicators into your strategy, it's whether you can afford not to. I will dive deep into each of these groundbreaking artificial intelligence indicators, revealing how they work, why they outperform the rest, and how you can leverage them to not just follow market trends, but predict them. Let's begin with indicator number 5, the Machine Learning VWAP by Yin-Yang Algorithms. This truly wonderful script aims to use machine learning to identify the best location to anchor the VWAP at. Rather than using a traditional fixed length, by applying machine learning, we can identify crucial areas to reset the VWAP and start anew. Due to how the anchor for this VWAP changes, you may notice that the basis line may act as a trend identifier. When the price is above the basis line, it may represent a bullish trend, and likewise, it may represent a bearish trend when below it. You may also notice what may happen is when the trend occurs, it may push all the way to the upper or lower levels of this VWAP. It may then proceed to move horizontally until the VWAP expands more, and it may gain more movement. Or it may return back to the basis line. If it corrects back to the basis line, what may happen is it either uses the basis line as a support and continues in its current direction, or it will change the VWAP anchor and start anew. There may be times where both volume and price movement isn't significant enough to cause much of an expansion. During this time, the market may be considered to be in a state of consolidation. While looking at this example, you may also notice the color switch from green to red. The color may help you estimate the current directional movement the price is facing within the VWAP. The indicator also displays signals for potential long and short entries. One of the strategies you can test is the following. To initiate a long trade, first check if the VWAP color is green. The second rule is to confirm a pullback to the basis line. The final confirmation will be a green triangle below the candle bar. I recommend placing the stop loss at the lower VWAP band. The initial take profit target could be set at the upper band. This strategy is designed for long trades only. Test it out in different time frames and markets. The best time frames are 5, 15, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. Dear friends, I am happy to announce that my personal Trade IQ Toolkit indicator has been updated with an option to add alerts. This update makes the tool much more time effective. You can enable alerts for buy and sell signals, trendline breakouts, stop loss, and take profit targets, and more. With the Trade IQ indicator, you will take your technical analysis to the whole new level. The indicator has so many useful features in its arsenal that no other tool on TradingView can even come close to it. For those of you who can't wait to try it out, click the first link in the description and get your Trade IQ Toolkit risk-free. I'm sure you're excited to see the next indicator on my list. Well, here it is. Introducing the Simple Neural Network, Transformed RSI by Quantra AI. The Simple NNT RSI stands out as a powerful tool for traders who specialize in lower time frame trading. It is an innovative modification of the traditional RSI readings with simple neural network smoothing techniques. This unique combination results in fairly accurate signals, tailored to swift market movements. The NNT RSI is particularly resistant to the usual market noise found in lower time frames, ensuring a clearer view of short-term trends. Furthermore, its diverse range of visualization options adds versatility, making it an ideal indicator for traders seeking to capitalize on short-duration market dynamics. The most suitable time frames for this indicator are 1, 5, and 15 minutes. It works great for scalping cryptocurrencies and forex. To take maximum advantage of this amazing indicator, play around with the settings to find the most optimal ones for current time frame. The two parameters you should focus on are the NNT smoothing length and standard deviation extreme. These will affect signal accuracy and frequency. I recommend combining this AI oscillator with trend-following indicators like moving averages, trend channels, supply and demand zones, or even with the third indicator on my list, Volume Supertrend AI. Created by Zierman, the Volume Supertrend AI is an advanced technical indicator used to predict trends in price movements by utilizing a combination of traditional supertrend calculation and AI techniques, particularly the k-nearest neighbors algorithm. By combining these approaches, the indicator aims to offer more precise predictions of price trends, offering bullish and bearish signals. By utilizing volume-weighted moving averages, the Volume Supertrend AI emphasizes the importance of trading volume in the trend direction, allowing it to respond more accurately to market dynamics. The KNN algorithm is employed to intelligently examine historical data points, measuring distances between current parameters and previous data. The nearest neighbors are used to create predictive modeling, thus adapting to complex market patterns. In practice, a green line displayed beneath the price typically suggests an upward trend, reflecting a bullish market sentiment. Conversely, a red line positioned above the price signals a downward trend, indicative of bearish conditions. Here's an example of how you can use the Supertrend AI indicator in your trading. For this strategy, I installed the Adaptive Trend Finder as a secondary confirmation tool and set the channel to long-term. This indicator will cancel all Supertrend AI signals that go against the prevailing trend. Here's how it works. You buy if A, the channel is ascending. B, the Supertrend AI produces a trend continuation buy signal. Trend shift signals can also be used for trade entries or even exit signals. The Supertrend line can act as a trailing stop-loss guide. Risk small, win big. This is the secret to long-term profitability. If you think these indicators are on fire, smash that like button and subscribe to Trade IQ for future updates. On the second place, I put an artificial intelligence-based indicator called the Machine Learning Optimal RSI by Yin Yang Algorithms. This artificial intelligence RSI is 10 times more effective than the old version. What this AI indicator does is, it basically rates multiple different lengths of RSI to determine which RSI to RSI MA cross produce the highest profit within the lookback span. This optimal RSI is then passed back and used as input into a machine learning calculation. You see, RSI may very well be one of the most used indicators for identifying crucial overbought and oversold locations. Not only that, but when it crosses its moving average line, it may also indicate good locations to buy and sell. Many traders simply use the RSI with the standard length of 14. However, does that mean this is the best length? By using the length of the top-performing RSI and then applying some machine learning logic to it, this indicator may be a more accurate, smooth, and optimal RSI. Let's see an example of how this indicator can be used in practice. As mentioned earlier, the RSI MA crosses can be considered good locations to buy and sell. However, not all crosses should be used as such. Let me explain. For a signal to be considered valid, one more condition must take place. That condition is RSI becoming oversold prior to the bullish cross or overbought prior to the bearish cross. Oversold condition is present when RSI line crosses both lower bands. The opposite is true for overbought conditions. With that being said, only high-quality reversal signals can be viewed as potential trade entries. Even though this indicator is great, I still advise adding some extra confluences to further confirm long and short trades, just like you would with the regular RSI indicator. Topping our list of the best machine learning indicators on TradingView is the Machine Learning Lorentzian Classification by J.D. Horty. Over 15,000 traders have saved this indicator to their collection, which means the tool is really valuable. I will not get into detail about how this complex machine learning algorithm operates, but rather show you a strategy with this indicator that really works. A 1-hour time frame is suitable for this trading strategy. First of all, access the indicator's inputs and enable the EMA and ADX filters. Leave the values as default. These signal filters will cancel low-quality signals. The strategy's rules are simple. Open a long trade once a buy alert is received, and close a winning trade when the candlestick closes below the machine learning moving average. The opposite rules apply to short positions. Test this strategy out in different markets and feel free to add extra confluences for more accurate signals. Thanks for watching and happy trading.